Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Licious, a YouTuber based in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about COVID-19. I'm here with my homie. We'll be discussing about COVID-19. So please introduce yourself.
Alright guys, it's good to be here. It's good to be on Miss Licious blog. Well, my name is Bright. I'm a student. I just leave it at that. So like you said, we're going to be talking about COVID-19. Alright.
So what is COVID-19?
Before we talk about COVID-19, let's talk about coronavirus. So basically, the coronavirus are a classes of virus which leads to diseases in humans and animals. In humans, it could be some respiratory infections ranging from common cold to acute respiratory syndromes, and these are serious issues. This is not a joke. Okay, like you rightly asked, COVID-19. So COVID-19 is a deadly disease that is from the new class of coronavirus. It was unknown until the outbreak in Wuhan, China, December 2019.
How does this play?
Well, basically, a person carrying the virus can spread it to others by sneezing or coughing, and bacteria or bacteria from your sneeze or cough lying on surfaces. Then you, a neutral person, going to touch those surfaces or having contact with those surfaces, can get the virus.
Wow.
Yes.
So what can we do to protect ourselves from this virus?
Well, simple answer. I'll just tell you, to protect yourself from COVID-19, stay in your house, stay at home. Then there are also some measures you can take. You can, like, constant washing of your hands with soap and water, using hand sanitizers, and then just getting informed. Just go to WHO websites and get informed in the latest progress made in the vaccine for coronavirus. Get informed in the confirmed cases and just be aware.
Is there any medicine now or vaccine for the virus?
Vaccine or medicine for coronavirus, vaccine or medicine for COVID-19. Well, from what I heard in the news, the government of China, they are actually carrying out some clinical trials on possible vaccines and medicine for COVID-19. Not just China, even the United States government, they are carrying out clinical trials in Seattle to see how this dangerous virus can be killed.
Like as now, how many cases do we have in Nigeria?
In Nigeria, well, from what I heard last time I checked, there are about 27 confirmed cases. Wow. In Nigeria, and I believe Lagos have the highest confirmed case.
Wow, that's serious. It's really serious. And it's really spreading fast. It's spreading so fast.
It is from China, went to Italy, went to other countries.
So how important is this face mask?
Face mask. Okay, I believe I keep seeing people buying face masks and putting on face masks. But the honest truth is that you only use the face mask when you have the virus, or you use the face mask when you are attending or treating an infected person who has the virus. Apart from that, you're just wasting a face mask if you don't have the virus.
Okay. So what's your final take on this issue?
My final statement. Well, what I can just say to people that are going to be viewing this, just stay in your house.
Yeah.
Stay at home. I know a lot of people will like to go to work, a lot of people would like to go to church, a lot of people would like to go to places, like different kind of places, but the honest truth is that let's just be wise. Let's stay at home until the storm is over, because the more you go out there, the more this thing continues to transmit, the more it moves from one person to another, the more confirmed cases we have. So what's best is just to stay in your houses, be informed. And if you're a Christian, you're a Muslim, you're a pagan, pray to whatever God you believe in, and also just take the precautions, like precautionary measures, like washing your hands regularly with soap and water, using hand sanitizers and what have you. And I believe with that, to an extent, you think just die.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for this information you've shared. I hope this video helps someone out there, and if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for coming.
It's my pleasure to be here. It's my pleasure to be on Miss Licious blog. I hope you all out there like, comment, share
the video. Yeah, let's connect more on social media. On Instagram, my name is Miss Licious. On Facebook, Miss Licious. On Twitter, Miss Licious. So guys, if you love this video, share, subscribe and like. See you guys on my next video. Bye.